Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I am Sachin Pal and I hope you all are doing well. I am also doing well and thank you so much for being with me on this English speaking journey. And yeah, let's see what the level of speaking we are able to achieve after some time because we are going to put our continuous efforts on this journey. So as some people suggest like I need to narrate some story or motivational story. Through that stories some people are able to change their life. So yeah, I'm on continuous on story creation or narration. So today I want to narrate a story through which everyone is, if he or she want to change their life, then they are able to change their life. If they are easily able to resonate with the message of that particular story, then they are able to change their life. So few years back there was a village, and the village is surrounded by hills and greenery area, and the road of that village is narrower. And there was a boy Aro living with his family, and he is taking the things in negative way. Like if he get any work from his father, and if his father said, Aro, please go on the fields and do work for some time, and if it is sunlight, so Aro think like how anyone is able to work in that particular heat environment situation. And if his mother asked for Aro help, then he start annoying his mother, and he said, why you are always asking for my help? You are not able to do work by your own. And if Aro gets some homework, then he started thinking like no one is able to complete this work. This is very heavy or very much, and no one is want to make him friend because he is always thinking negatively, and he is making the work burdens. So that's why everyone in this village started ignoring Aro. So he became alone, and he's not able to live his life fully. He's always seems like sad and thoughtful. And once our father asked to Aro, like, Aro, come here and we are going for a walk. And they both goes for a walk, and after some time in one corner of the village there was a pond. So they both reach in the corner of the pond, and Aro father asked to Aro, Aro, please take this salt and put in the pond. So Aro obeyed the order of his father, and he takes some salt and put in the pond. And after that, Aro father said, please drink this water. So Aro obeyed his father's order, and he tried to drink water, but he's not able to drink it. He become very frustrated and awful, and he said to his father like, I'm not able to drink this water because this is very bitter water. So yeah, after that our father asked to Aro, yeah, no worry, please go, we are going to continue our walk. So they started walking again, and after some certain time they reached to the bank of the river. And after reaching to the bank of the river, our father said, please sit and take some salt again and put that salt in the river. So Ara obeyed his father's, and he take some salt and put in the river. And again our father said, you need to drink this water. So again Aro obeyed his father and he tried to drink water, and he is able to drink water. And after drinking water he is feeling very refreshed, and he said to his father, like, I'm put some salt in the pond, then the water of that pond is become bitter. And again I have put some salt in the river, but the river water is very fresh. So what is the reason behind that? So our father said to the arrow, like, the water of the pond is constant or stayed. That's why if you put salt, so it's able to change the environment or taste of the water. But the river water is flowing continuously forward. So if you put anything like salt in river water, then it's going to the forward. It's not stay consistent. That's why the river water is fresh. Same, if your heart is like a pond, and if you put any negative thoughts in your mind, then that thoughts is able to affect your life. And if you make your heart as a river, then if you put any thoughts on your mind, then that particular thoughts is not able to affect your mind. So likely you need to think. So yeah, Aro think about it deeply, and whole night he started thinking about pond and river, and whatever situations he seen in that day. And he started whispering, like, I'm going to change my heart as a river, so that I'm able to change my life. And he started thinking likewise from next day. If his father asked to the arrow, please go to the fields and work for some time, so arrow accepted it, and he goes to the field, and he think like, that particular work is going to make me stronger. So he goes and work hard on the fields, and after completion of work he come to his house. And if his mother asked for some help, then he is very happy, and he enjoying doing help his mother. And after that, if he gets some extra homework, then he's thinking like, these extra homework are going to teach me some extraordinary things in my life. And he started continuous his journey. And after that he is able to make a good personality, and everyone want to make RO friends, because from that particular day the RO personality changed, and he started taking things positively. So yeah, I think you are able to find the message of that story, or conclusion of that particular story. If you like, thoughts affect your mind, you need to take thoughts wisely, then you are able to make your life. So that's it for today. I hope really you are enjoying you watching these videos or content. And if you have any suggestion for me, then feel free to drop your suggestion over comment, and please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, stay healthy and wealthy. Thank you so much for being me on this journey till now. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead.